I look like an absolute mess, but come clean my closet with me because it really needs to be done. Fun facts about me, I don't like throwing away my clothing. I always donate my clothing, but I also have trash bags that smell like Fabuloso, so if you smell Fabuloso at the thrift, you know where I came from. So it boils down to a couple of factors, what we're gonna be purging today. It comes down to, does it fit me? If the answer is no, we're getting rid of it. Do I not wanna wear it? If the answer, if I don't wanna wear it, we're getting rid of it. This side is my side, over here. This side is my boyfriend's side. You can see one has a considerably larger amount of clothing. I feel like I'm kind of a hoarder because I thrift like the majority of my clothes, almost all my clothes. I haven't bought like new clothes in maybe like 3 years. This dress, does it fit me? I mean, like, I don't want to get rid of it because it's really cute and I got it on Depop and like I just think she's cute, so I'm keeping her. I feel like she's a good staple, and if it comes down to it and I don't want it, I think I have friends who would want it. This tank top is unfortunately the most unflattering thing on me that I have ever seen. She used to fit really well when I was in high school. No longer. All of my juicy tracksuits get to stay. I did buy those new. I think the only new thing in this closet for like the past little bit is my American Eagle like Halloween stuff, which I got before the Sydney Sweeney ad came out. And then my juicy tracksuits, which I got from TJ Maxx. Those are like the 2 new things in here. This is a staple t-shirt. I gotta keep this one. I got this in the Outer Banks when I was like a little kid. My mom technically got it and then I stole it from her. Reindeer shirt. That is a men's 3X. I love you, Dad. It's going in the donate pile. Black t-shirt does not fit. This is cute. This is a little staple dress that I got a long time ago from Amazon. It's really cute. Oh, this top. She's so cute. Does not fit my boobs. She has like a little like shelf thingy and it cuts off like right here, and then the entire time I'm just like, to anybody who gets acid reflux, you know, like if you have something like really tight around like here, you just start like immediately like vomiting, right? I don't actually like vomit, but it's like in my mouth, in the back of my mouth, but going in the Fabuloso bag. I don't know why these leggings are on a hanger, but you know what? They can stay there. Ugliest pair of pajama pants I have ever seen. Unfortunately, she does have to go. Again, juicy tracksuits stay. Look at this cute black dress I got at TJ Maxx. These are like, this is the first wave of the clothes my mom got me. This pretty red dress. If you're wondering like what size I am, like I'm on like the upper end of mid-size, if that makes sense. Like I'm between a 14 and a 16, and I can fit into like most larges / extra larges. It just depends on the store. I don't really know how that works, but you know, just for transparency. I thrifted this. Look at this. Look at this juicy top. This set, this is the Halloween American Eagle collection I was referring to. I really liked it in theory, it fits horribly on me.
Like, it makes me look like a rectangle.
We've got a staple camisole. Love her. She is too small for me, but she works. I'm just gonna call her shapewear, even though I don't think she's meant to be shapewear. We've got this staple hair dye shirt. This is a Piggly Wiggly shirt. I don't have any Piggly Wigglies up where I live, but when I used to go to the Outer Banks with my parents, we also got this down there. We didn't really go on a lot of vacations just because my mom worked a lot. My dad and I went on like road trips together. Like he used to take me to like Disney like at like 3 a.m. in the morning. Like we're going. My I Love Us shirt. Keep. This makes me so mad because I just thrifted this and it's a medium and I should have known it's too small for me. It doesn't, like it zips up to like here and there's like it doesn't go past here. So I can't wear it. But I'm gonna see if any of my friends want it because it's really nice. This is a hard one. This is a hard one because this is a Forever 21 dress. I know it does not look good on me. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to part with this diva. She used to look really good on me, not anymore. Not anymore. Here, she has like that. I think it's a badass rib cage, but it's just like, I feel like she's kind of makes me look like a linebacker. And like, to be fair, I do have linebacker shoulders. Like my traps are like low-key kind of huge, dude. Like, you know why? Do you wanna know why? Cause my shoulders are never properly in their sockets. And so I constantly have to go to raise them up so that they don't pop out of socket. I love being hypermobile. Again, we have a staple black shirt. This one I don't like because this one just like fits kind of weird. Again, it kind of makes me look like a rectangle. My I Love Ranch shirt. I used to eat a lot of ranch. Now I have GERD, so I'm not supposed to eat ranch. And I've really been limiting like my dairy intake in general. So like, I mean, like I'm definitely keeping the shirt, but I'm just like reminiscing about ranch because I love ranch. I used to love ranch so much, now I can't really have ranch anymore. Because you know, don't want to get esophageal cancer. This is a staple sleep shirt, by the way. Men's 3X from my father, Bass Pro Shop shirt. This is my mom's Cure shirt. Okay, so she gave this to me. I stole it from her and then I kept it. But she allowed me to keep it. She knows that I have it. This is an old Cure shirt. I wear it all the time. I love the Cure. Favorite Cure song, best Cure song, Last Day Summer. And it's so underrated. And if you haven't listened to Last Day Summer, you need to listen to it now. We have our second dye shirt. Ooh, gotta keep this, baby. Now we get to the real star of the show, jeans. I altered this pair of jeans and it has my Stardew Valley patches on the back. I used to have black hair for a while, so this was based off of my character in the game. I made these way too big than they needed to be and they just don't look good on me. I'm gonna strip the patches from the back to save them. Actually, I think these are going to throw away because I altered them and they're kind of like Frankenstein. So these are 3630s Gap. I got these on Depop and they did not fit me at all. They got up maybe like halfway to my thigh and then it was just like, we're not coming on, Diva. Okay, we've got scrunched up t-shirt that I threw up there. Black ripped skinny jeans. She will not be staying with us. Unfortunately, both of these shorts, oh, this is where my black tank top went. She will be going in dirty clothes. You two will be going the Fabulous Survivor. You do not look good on me. These are new jeans that I got, part of the first wave of clothes. I gotta say, I used to shop on Shein, okay? Like when I was younger, I used to shop on the Shein. I know. I'm done with that now. Okay? I'm done with it. Anyways, these are jeans that I got. These are the low-rise baggy jeans from Hollister. Guys, I got a thong just to wear with it. Just so I can have a little whale tail. This is one of the reasons why I made this video, because it's gonna be so sad to part with these, but I know that I have very oddly specific measurements, and I know that like none of my friends are like me because all my friends are skinny queens. So like these are size 16 Michael Kors jeans, right? And they have like, I know some of the rhinestones are missing here, or not rhinestones, like they're little studs. They have MK on the back. They're mid-rise. But the way, like my silhouette, I just look horrible in these. Like it makes me look like I look like the glub.
I am the glob gab galab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab.
Like these do not go well. So I really hope that a diva finds these. Look, this isn't an organizing my closet. This is a purging my closet. These are the only pair of shorts that I have. The only ones that like fit well. Like I got these when I was 15, 5 years ago, off of Shein. I don't do it anymore. I'm reformed. I shit you not, these are the only shorts that like fit me well. Every other short gives me like a massive camel toe. Like the biggest camel toe you have ever seen. It's the whole ass desert, right? These perfectly fine. Like they sit a little bit baggy on the hips, they're good. Another Starbucks shirt going straight in the bin. Ooh, this really hurts, okay? I have a couple of pairs of Lululemon leggings. I have 2 pairs, and I picked out both when I was 14, I wanna say. Maybe 14? I think 14. And so like they still fit today, but I picked the ugliest patterns possible. One of them is in a gray camo print, and the other one is this. And I'm not gonna donate it because this is like a Lululemon legging. These are really nice leggings. And like there isn't like any pilling or anything because like they're a little bit ugly, so I don't really wear them that much. Like I'm keeping them, but I wish that I got them in like black. I forgot I had this. Do you want this from my sweater? Oh, by the way, my Hella Mega Tour sweatshirt. Weezer! Yeah, I look like I'd listen to Weezer. Oh, this is from high school. This is from a very dark time in high school. From my freshman year of high school. I have hung on to this for a very long time, and this is very symbolic for me. she is being donated. Anyways, look at this hat that I got. It was $45. It's fox fur. And no, I don't support fur, but I support thrifted fur. If it already exists out in the world, might as well use it. Can I eat? Oh my god, I love it. It also matches the jacket that I have. Oh my god, isn't this so cute? I love it. That's so cute. Guys, I'm so ready for winter. So I just have to get some things for the thumbnail. Anyways, guys, I hope you really enjoyed cleaning out my closet with me. I had a phenomenal experience. I hope that you had a phenomenal experience. Make good decisions. Stay safe. Look out for your fellow divas. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I have another video coming. It's on the hit box office bomb Hansel and Gretel Get Baked. So that is coming soon, but I wanted a fun little video in the meantime. Wish me luck on my quiz tomorrow. Have fun, make good decisions. I love you so much. Bye.